Which animal do not make any sound? Giraffe. How many legs does a spider have? 8 legs. What is the world's smallest dog breed? Chihuahua. Which is the largest living bird on earth? Ostrich. Which animal can create the loudest sound among any living creature? Humpback whales. What is the most recognizable feature of a hedgehog's appearance? Their spines of spiky hair. Which is the largest kangaroo in the world? Red kangaroo. Which animal defines faithfulness? Dog. Which one is the smallest in size of all living tiger subspecies? Sumatran tiger. The crocodile species is believed to have been around for how long? 200 million years. What country used to have a white elephant on its flag? Thailand. The Bhindawas Bird Sanctuary, BBS, is located in which state? Haryana, Jhajjar district. What is the largest monkey in the world? Mandrill. Name the only country where both tigers and lions are found. India. Which snakes has the diet mainly composed of other snakes? King cobra. How many brains does a leech have? 32 brains. What kind of creature has its heart on its head? Shrimps. Which creature is known as a glass snake? A lizard. Which is the largest living animal? Blue whale. What is the most recognizable physical feature of the male lion? Its mane. Long and heavy hair growing about the neck and head. Which is India's first sanctuary? Corbett National Park in Uttar Pradesh. Darwin finches refers to a group of what? Birds. How many years can a cat live up to? 20 years. What does the diet of a gorilla include? Vegetarian. Pashmina shawl is made from the hair of which animal? Goat.